What are some low-cost online business ideas for beginners? Starting an online business need not be capital-intensive. Here are a few low-cost options. In the realm of online businesses, low-cost options for beginners abound. One promising avenue is affiliate marketing, where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Another option is dropshipping, a model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Freelance services, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management, offer an opportunity to monetize your skills. Consider creating and selling digital products, like ebooks or online courses, as they involve minimal upfront costs. Finally, explore the potential of print-on-demand services, where products are created and shipped only when a customer makes a purchase. How can I start a home-based business with limited funds? Embarking on a home-based business with limited funds requires strategic thinking. Here's how you can do it. Consider the gig economy and offer services like virtual assistants, writing, or graphic design from the comfort of your home. Explore the potential of e-commerce by selling handmade or unique products through platforms like Etsy or eBay. Utilize your expertise by offering consulting services in areas such as marketing, finance, or business strategy. Leverage social media to market your skills and products organically, reducing the need for substantial advertising budgets. Consider joining freelancing platforms to connect with clients looking for remote services. Are there low-cost business ideas for those with creative skills? Creativity can be a valuable asset in the business world. Here are some low-cost business ideas tailored for the creatively inclined. Start a blog or YouTube channel to showcase your creative talents, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Offer freelance graphic design or illustration services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create and sell custom artwork, prints, or digital designs on websites specializing in artist marketplaces. Develop an online course teaching others your creative skills and insights. Engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products related to your creative niche. What low-cost business ideas are suitable for a side hustle? For those looking to supplement their income with a side hustle, consider these low-cost options. Participate in the gig economy by offering services such as ride-sharing, dog walking, or virtual assistants. Engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products or services relevant to your interests. Create and sell handmade crafts or vintage items on platforms like Etsy for an additional income stream. Offer tutoring or consulting services based on your expertise and experience. Explore online survey participation or freelance writing for quick and flexible side income. How can I start a low-cost service-based business? Launching a service-based business without breaking the bank is feasible. Here's how. Offer virtual services such as consulting, coaching, or virtual assistance to clients worldwide. Utilize freelancing platforms to connect with businesses seeking services in your area of expertise. Develop subscription-based services, such as content creation, social media management, or digital marketing. Leverage your professional network for referrals, minimizing the need for extensive marketing expenses. Use online tools and platforms to streamline business operations and reduce overhead costs.